Hello, friends! Wow, Pringles chips at a discount! And what if you make a cake in the form of a bucket of chips? An awesome idea. I'll do so. Hello, I want to buy all these chips. Great, that'll be $10. Here you are. Thank you. Come to us again. Absolutely. Goodbye. To make a cake, you need to prepare the dough. I mix flour and corn flour. Now we need to separate the yolk from the whites. Let's do this. So I'll break the egg right into the sieve. The yolk will remain on top, and the whites will be at the bottom. I came up with a cool idea, huh? I poured the yolk into another bowl and returned to the other one. It needs to be salted, sweetened, and some lemon juice. Cool, that's the combination. Look what a foam we've got. Perhaps I'll start with fresh milk. Then I'll add some sunflower oil and vanilla syrup. Oh, how delicious vanilla smells! I love its scent. The main thing here is that we don't have lumps left. Ready. Now I add flour and again, I mix everything to get a thick mess. Finally, you can mix the yolk with the whites. Reunion of old friends. It turned out a gorgeous dough. Wow, how cool it stretches. Perfect for a cake. It's time to pour the dough into the mold and put it into the oven for half an hour. Let the cake bake while I play. Wow, it turned out to be a giant cupcake. I'm already drooling, but this is just the beginning. The most interesting thing is ahead. Cake decoration. It is necessary to cut it into 3 layers and lubricate each of them with cream. Excellent! I'm making a cake in the shape of a bucket of chips, so the cupcake should taper to the bottom like a real bucket. Awesome! Layer by layer. And I'm cutting out the excess. Amazing! Some cream on top and on the sides. Now I'm going to smear the cream with a knife and it'll be perfect. Ta-da! And next, I'll wrap the cake with fudge and put a stripe on top. Does it look like a bucket? Oh yeah! Hooray! It's time for chips! I pour them on top and stick a Pringles label. It looks mega cool! It remains to put the barbecue sauce. Let it be melted chocolate because my cake is a sweet dessert. Voila! It turned out to be an awesome cake in the form of chips. Gorgeous! I'm so glad! Enjoy your meal! I just love chips and I can't imagine my life without them. I hope you're cooking them with me. Let's try this masterpiece together. Thank you, friends. It was fun. Put likes and subscribe to the channel to be the first to learn about new awesome recipes and cook them with me. Let's experiment and work wonders. Cooking is a lot of fun, interesting, and of course delicious, especially if it's ice cream, French fries, or cakes.